Hey guys, so this is a continuation of an eyebrow tutorial that I did for you guys. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you guys go check that video out. So to start, I'll be using my NYX eyeshadow base and a flat Duorime eyeshadow brush to apply the eyeshadow base to my eyes. Okay, the base is applied. I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush to dip into the color Devotee. I'll be using this color in my crease. Alright, and using that same brush, I'll be dipping into the color Maven. And I'm going to be applying this sort of on my crease, on the outer V's of my eye. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the color Skills using my Real Techniques base shadow brush. And I'll just apply this color to my entire lid. Then going in with my NYX eyeshadow base again, I'll be using that on sort of like underneath my crease over the color Skills. Okay, now using an angled eyeshadow brush, I'll be dipping into the color Profesh, and that'll be used on the inner portions of my eye. Okay, now using that same brush, I'm going to dip into the next shimmer color called Aces. And I'll be applying that to the center of my lid right after the first shimmer color. Now that that's all done, I'll be using a Rookie smudge brush and dipping into the color Dapper. And with this color, I'll be using it on the outer corners of my eye to give it some depth. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow in the color Madison Avenue, and with that same brush I'll be using it to add a little bit more depth to the outer corners of my eye and just kind of blend up into my brow bone to give it a flawless finish. Then using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'll be dipping into the LA Girl palette in the color Fangirl, and I'll apply this color to my tear ducts. And then y'all, this is a Profusion palette. I've had this for a long time. I don't even know what the colors are called. But using an angled eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dip into that color there and just kind of apply that over the center color so it will have like a glossy finish. Okay guys, and now for my favorite part, I'll be lining my eyes with the Maybelline Color Tattoo in the color Risk Maker using an eyeliner brush from Duo Rhyme. It took everything in me to not do a cat eye with this look. I do cat eyes every day. I love them, but I felt like it would kind of overpower this look, so I kept it simple. Guys, my camera kept dying. And I'm just going to go over that color tattoo with a regular black liquid eyeliner. Okay, so the eyeshadow is done. I'll be going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color Coconut and just pumping that on my face and blending it out with a foundation brush that I've had forever. I don't even think it has a name, but it's just a regular double-ended foundation brush that you can find pretty much anywhere. Okay, and now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to highlight my face. And I'm going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Okay, and now I'll be using a black opal foundation stick in the color Ebony Brown to contour my face and nose. And then with that same foundation brush, using the opposite end, I'm gonna buff out that foundation stick. And to kind of control the foundation stick color on my nose, I'm going to be using a Duorime flat smudge brush to blend out the foundation for the contour on my nose. Then I think for everyone's favorite part, I'll be using my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder in the color Honey to set my face everywhere where I put any concealer and anywhere that I get oily throughout the day. I'll be using my Black Radiance finishing powder in the color Rich Mahogany to set my contour. Using my NK Makeup highlighter in the color Inca, I'll be applying it to various portions of my face, on my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And today I'll be using my 25mm mink lashes from Miss 3D Minx. And guys, my camera would not let me be great this day, but now I'll be going in with my Maybelline New York lip color in the color Composer, and I'll be using that as a lip liner. And I'm just going to use a angled lip brush to blend that out. Now I'm going to be going in and filling in the center of my lip with my NYX AK New York liquid lip in the color Santa Fe. And lastly, to top my lips off, I'll be using one of my favorite lip glosses. This is the Victoria's Secret Lip Shine in the color Peekaboo. And I'm just going to place that all over my lip. Yeah guys, this is the completed look. I love it. I love this pink look. I love it with the hair, with the gold accessories. It's super cute. Look is perfect in any lighting. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.